Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, good morning, everyone. I hope you all and your family are doing well. I am Yogiraj Atre, Company Secretary of the company, participating from Mogar. Welcome you all to the 59th Annual General Meeting of the members of the company, which is being held and conducted through video conferencing and audio other visual means. As permitted by the circulars issued by MCA and SEBI, before our chairman commences the meeting, I would like you to take through certain important aspects regarding the proceedings of AGM. All the members joining the meeting are by default placed on mute mode to avoid any background noise disturbance and to ensure smooth and seamless conduct of the meeting. During the question answer session, the names of registered speaker shareholder will be announced. Speaker shareholder thereafter will be unmuted by host of the AGM and will be allowed to express their views and ask questions. The speaker shareholder are requested to click on the icon of audio video button while speaking. If shareholder are unable to join video mode due to any reason, the shareholder are advised to switch off the camera and speak through audio mode only. Speaker shareholder are requested to minimize any background noise to avoid any disturbances. Members who did not vote earlier through remote e-voting may vote electronically during the course of meeting and 15 minutes after the conclusion of the meeting. The instructions related to e-voting at the meeting are as follows. Those members who have already voted, cast their vote are not entitled to cast their vote again at the AGM. In case member who have cast their vote through remote e-voting and also vote at AGM, then voting done at AGM will be prevailed. Those who have logged in to attend the meeting as members are only entitled to vote at AGM. E-voting would be allowed only up to 15 minutes from the conclusion of the meeting. Mr. J.J. Gandhi, practicing company secretary, has been appointed as a scrutinizer for conducting the e-voting process. Before we commence the proceeding of this AGM, I place on record that as per requirement of provision of Companies Act 2013 and rules made thereunder and articles of association of company, the requisite quorum is present and the chairman of the board, Mr. Rahul and Anubhai Amin, has already joined the meeting. Therefore, meeting may be declared in order by the chairman. Sir.
You need to unmute yourself. Papa, you need to unmute yourself first. Please start again.
I declare the meeting to order and advise the company secretary to complete the statutory requirements for the meeting proceedings.
Yes, thank you, Chairman, sir. I also would like to record the presence of following person participating in this meeting from Mogar, Vadodara, and Pune through video conferencing. Mrs. Tejal R. Amin, Full-time Director and Member of Audit Committee and Stakeholder Relationship Committee. Mr. Bipin Chemburkar, Director. Mr. Pradeep Sinha, Director and Chairman of Stakeholder Relationship Committee and Member of Audit Committee and Nomination Remuneration Committee. Ms. Pragna Seth, Director and Chairman of Audit Committee and Nomination Remuneration Committee and Member of Stakeholder Relationship Committee. And Shubhalakshmi Amin, Senior Manager of the company. And Statutory Auditor Mr. Banish Bakshi and Mr. Hetang Pandya from Messrs. Talati and Talati LLP Chartered Accountants. Secretarial Auditor and Scrutinizer Mr. J.J. Gandhi from Messrs. J.J. Gandhi and Company Practicing Company Secretaries. Mr. K.J. Gupta, Chief Executive Officer of the company, and Mr. Amul Parikh, Chief Financial Officer of the company. Further, I would like to inform you all that Register of Directors and KMP and their shareholding, the Register of Contracts or Arrangement in which director is interested, and other important documents are open for inspection by members during the continuance of meeting on the Investor Relation tab of the company's website. The notice of 59 AGM will be circulated along with the 59th annual report for year 24-25 through email those shareholders whose email ID were registered with RTA and DP. Therefore, I take the notice of the meeting as read. The director report and audited financial statement for financial year 24-25 have been already with you for some time, and therefore I take the same as read. Further, as per report of statutory auditor was unqualified and without any adverse observation or comments, therefore the auditor report is not required to be read. Secretarial auditor in their secretarial audit report for financial year ended March 31, 2025 has expressed their observation, and your directors would like to furnish their explanation to the said observation as under. With regard to the observation from secretarial auditor, all those promoters who have not dematerialized their share have initiated the process of getting their shares in demat form. I now draw your attention to the fact that there are 6 items in agenda for this annual general meeting. Resolution number 1 is an ordinary resolution to receive, consider and adopt the audited financial statement of the company for financial year ended March 31, 2025 and the reports of board of directors and auditor thereof. Resolution number 2 is an ordinary resolution to declare dividend on preference shares for the financial year 24-25. Resolution number 3 is an ordinary resolution to appoint director in place of Mr. Rahul Nanubhai Amin, who retires by rotation under Section 152 subsection 6 of Companies Act 2013 and being eligible and offer himself for reappointment. Resolution number 4 is a special resolution for appointment of Mr. Bipin Kumar Vasantrao Chemburkar as an independent director of the company for an initial term of 5 years. Resolution 5 is again ordinary resolution for approval of material related party transaction with Jyoti Limited, a promoter group company for financial year 2025-26. Resolution number 6 is ordinary resolution for appointment of secretarial auditor. Now I request Chairman Sir to take proceeding hereafter.
Dear shareholders, good morning. I, Rahul and Amin, participating from Vadodara, extend a very warm welcome to all shareholders and directors at this 59th Annual General Meeting, AGM, being conducted through video conferencing, other audio-visual means. The meeting is being live streamed through webcast. I thank all of you for participating in today's meeting and sincerely wish that all of you and your family are safe and healthy. I'm sure you would have gone through the annual report together with the financial statements for the financial year ended 31st March 2025. As you must have observed from the annual report, the company's total revenue from operations was rupees 53.62 crores as compared to previous year's revenue of rupees 51.34 crores. In spite of ups and downs seen in the industry, the economy as a whole during the year, your company has done reasonably well. The performance of the year ended 31st March 2025 is as under. 1. The cost of material consumed at 60.31% of sales value at rupees 32.34 crores as compared to 57.41% of sales value at rupees 29.47 crores during the previous year. 2. The employee benefits expenses stood at rupees 9.46 crores as compared to rupees 8.62 crores during previous year. 3. Other expenses for the year were rupees 9.62 crores against rupees 8.42 crores during the previous year. 4. EBITDA stood at rupees 3.93 crores as compared to 4.44 crores during the previous year. 5. The other income of rupees 5.42 crores during the year was comparable to 5.45 crore during the previous year, which includes notional income from investment in Jyoti's shares valued at fair market value. Number 6. The finance cost is rupees 0.45 crores during the year as compared to rupees 0.40 crores during the previous year. Number 7. Consequently, the total profit before tax for the year was rupees 7.62 crores as compared to total profit of rupees 8.38 crores during the previous year, and after giving effect to tax expense, the profit at the year stood at rupees 6.45 crores compared to profit of rupees 6.16 crores during the previous year. The profit for the year ended 31st March 2025 includes notional gain of rupees 3.14 crores from investment in shares of Jyoti Limited. Your company has been cautious during the year and took several measures like varying the product mix, controlling overheads, enhanced productivity, multitasking various operations, etc. To state a few, and I am happy to inform that the company has done well in the financial year 2024-25, as can be seen from the financial statement and profit and loss account. Further, I would like to inform you that the company is performing better in the first quarter of the financial year 2025-26, and the outlook is reasonably good for the remaining period also. On this occasion, I take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to all my colleagues on the board for their prudent counsel and continued guidance. My special thanks and appreciation goes to Company Secretary Mr. Yogiraj and employees of JSL Parivar at all levels for their hard work, dedication, and continued commitment. I also wish to thank the shareholders, government and regulatory authorities, customers, suppliers, and lenders for their unstinted understanding, cooperation, and support. I would like to further state that all the resolutions forming part of the notice of the annual general meeting have already been voted through remote e-voting. However, as per requirement of the law, e-voting facility is also being provided to those members who have not cast their votes through remote e-voting facility during the course of this meeting. I just want to remind that e-voting facility is open for those members who have not cast their vote through remote e-voting facility so far. The facility will remain open till 15 minutes after the conclusion of this meeting. I further announce that the consolidated result of the remote e-voting and e-voting during the course of the AGM will be declared simultaneously, placed on the company's website, on the website of the stock exchange and CDL website within 2 working days from the date of this AGM. Now I request Mr. Anil Parikh, registered speaker, to please put forth the point.
Tech support, can you please confirm Anil Parikh has joined the meeting? Not joined meeting. Okay. Chairman sir, you can go ahead. Shareholder is not joined the meeting.
Okay, since Mr. Anil Parikh has not joined the meeting, with this, the 59th annual general meeting comes to an end. I would like to thank CDSL for providing smooth and seamless VC facility. Thank you very much.
Mr. Yogiraj, you're on mute.
Yeah. So I, Yogiraj Atre, Company Secretary of Company, extend hearty vote of thanks to the Chair on behalf of all the shareholders and our board members. Thank you so much for attending the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you very much.